Good morning, everyone. We are the team Boyle of SS3C, and my name is Tanki Augustine, and I'm here with
Hope Chafas, Bill Joanna.
And we're here to talk about properties of true solution, saturated solution, unsaturated solution, supersaturated solution, and also aqueous solution.
A true solution is a homogeneous mixture of a solvent and a solute. It is clear and transparent. It cannot scatter light rays because the particles are too small to do so due to the absence of Tyndall effect. The compositions in a true solution is uniform, which means that the properties of the solution is the same throughout.
An unsaturated solution is a solution that does not contain as much amount of solutes as it can dissolve at that temperature. That's at that certain condition. That's for an unsaturated solution. It means when more solutes are added to the solution, it can still dissolve it. So while a saturated solution is a solution that has as much amount of solutes as it can contain at that temperature, in the presence of undissolved solute particles. So it means in a saturated solution, the amount of dissolved particles are at equilibrium with the amount of undissolved particles. Any further increase of solutes will make it to be slightly supersaturated.
Is that all?
Yes.
So I'm going to tell us what a supersaturated solution is. A supersaturated solution is a solution that has more than the maximum amount of solutes that it can readily dissolve at that given temperature. When a solution has the maximum amount of solutes it can dissolve, it's called a saturated solution. When it has more than the maximum amount of solutes that can dissolve at that temperature, it is known as a supersaturated solution. An example can be given as, let's say you have a cold orange juice and you bring it out and it already has its sugar in it, obviously. Then you add more sugar in it. Even though you try and stir it, there are still some particles that will fall out of solution. Why? Because that orange juice is already saturated with sugar, and even though you add more sugar, it will only fall to the bottom of the container rather than being dissolved inside that solution. So such a solution is known as a supersaturated solution. And an aqueous solution. An aqueous solution is a solution that has water as a solvent, and it can also be said to be as a solution in which water dissolves one or more solutes in it. So such a solution can be known as an aqueous solution. Water can dissolve hydrophilic substances, which are substances that readily dissolve in water, but there are some substances known as hydrophobic substances, which are water-repelling substances. Such substances are non-polar. Such an example of a substance like that is oil. When you mix water and oil, they do not mix to form an aqueous solution because oil is a non-polar substance. Thank you.
All right. Thank you very much. So, any question for them? So what did you say are the properties of a true solution? In fact, what is a true solution?
A true solution is a homogeneous mixture of a solvent and a solute.
A
solvent and a solute.
Okay, when you have solvent and solute, okay, what makes them to be true? What makes the solution to be true? That's what I want. What makes it to be true? Does that mean we can have false solution?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, so what's the difference between a false solution and a true solution?
A false solution, it settles at the bottom of the container. That's when left standing. But a true solution does not do that.
Alright, that's very good. So, you said the properties are what?
It is clear and transparent.
You said?
It is clear and transparent.
Okay, it is clear
and transparent.
And transparent. Yes. And what again?
It cannot be separated. It can be separated using the filter medium.
Using?
Filter paper medium.
Okay, filter paper method. Yes. Okay, and what again?
Its compositions are uniform.
They are uniform?
Yes.
Okay. So, you talked about it is transparent, right?
Yes.
Which means it can allow what? Light to pass through it.
Yes.
Is that not what a true solution is?
Yes.
So, in that case, that means a true solution does not give us or exhibit Tyndall effect. You know what Tyndall effect is? What is Tyndall effect?
The ability to scatter light rays.
Very good. The ability of light rays to be scattered. So a true solution, since it is transparent, it allows light to pass through. It allows light to pass through it. So in that case, it does not exhibit Tyndall effect, which is known as light scattering, isn't it?
Yeah.
All right. Thank you very much. You can step down.
Thank you.
Clap for them.